Permutations and combinations, part 19.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss few exercise problems. So, see our first one. Question number 3. If 10 into NC2 is equals to 3 into n plus 1 C3, then find the value of n. So, see here, given 10 into NC2 is 3 into n plus 1 C3. Now, 10 into how to write NC2. See, a suffix is 2. We have to decrease 2 terms. That is n into n minus 1. Divide by 2 factorial. And this one. 3 into suffix is 3. So, we have to decrease n plus 1 up to 3 terms. That is n plus 1, n minus 1. Divide by 3 is there. So, write 3 factorial. Okay. Now, how to write 3 factorials here? N minus 1, n minus 1 get cancelled. Now, this is 10 by 2 is equals to 3 into n plus 1 by, how to write 3 factorial? 3 into 2, that is 6. So, 3 2 get cancelled. So, clear 10 is equals to n plus 1. What is n value? 9. So, this is the value of n. And see the 8th question. So, you are given 12CR plus 1 is equals to 12C 3R minus 5. Then find R. So, given 12CR plus 1 is equals to 12C 3R minus 5. Okay. So, you know that NCR is equal to NCS. Then R is equals to S. R, N is equals to R plus S. Okay. So clearly R is what? R plus 1 and S is what? 3R minus 5. So first condition is R plus 1 is equals to 3R minus 5. So clearly this is what? 2R is equals to 6. R is equals to 3. And second case is what? N is equal to R plus S. So what is N value? 12. So 12 is equals to R plus S. That is R plus 1 plus 3R minus 5. Okay. So clear, this is 12 minus 1. We will get 11 plus 5. 16 is equals to 4R. So R is equals to 4. So therefore R values are either 3 or 4. So next is the 9th one. If NC3 plus NC5 is equals to NCR, then find R. So here NC3 plus NC5 is equals to 10CR. So you know that NCR is can be written as NC n minus R. Okay. So we have to apply this formula here. How to write 9C3? 9C 9 minus 3. That is 6 plus 9C5 is equals to 10CR. This is one condition. And apply this formula for second term. That is NC3 plus NC n minus R. N minus 5 is 9 minus 5. That is 4 is equals to 10CR. Okay. Again, we have to apply the formula. NCR minus 1 plus NCR. This is n plus 1 CR. Okay. Now, it is in the form of NCR plus NCR minus 1. How to write n plus 1 CR? This is 9 plus 1 C6 is equals to 10 CR. So, clearly R is equals to 6. So, here NCR plus NCR minus 1. We have to write n plus 1 CR. R value is 4 is equals to 10 CR. So therefore R is equals to what? 4. So R values are 4 and 6. So see here next one. Find the number of ways of forming a committee of 5 members from 6 men and 3 ladies. So see a solution. Total number of persons is equal to what? 6 men plus 3 ladies. 6 men plus 3 ladies. So total persons are 9. Here to form a committee of 5 members. So means you need to select 5 members out of 9. So see here. The number of ways of selection of 5 members out of 9 members. Okay. So clear that is what 9C5 is. So to select 5 members out of 9 is simply 9C5. See here, this can be written as 9C 9 minus 5, that is 4. So here suffix is 4, we have to decrease up to 4 terms. That is 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 4 factorial, that is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay. So clearly 6 get cancelled, 4 1 is 4 2. So this is 8 into 7, 126 ways. Okay, this is the required answer. 126 ways. Here find the value of 10C5 plus 2 into 10C4 plus 10C3. So see here, given 10C5 plus 2 into 10C4 plus 10C3. See here 2 into 10C4 can be written as 10C4 plus 10C4. So 10C5 plus 10C4 plus 10C4 plus 10C4. So then only we will get NCR plus NCR minus 1 form. So that's why I am writing 2 into 10C4 as 10C4 plus 10C4. See here, you know that NCR plus NCR minus 1 formula. That is N plus 1 CR. So clear in the form of NCR plus NCR minus 1. So for first 2 terms we have to apply this formula. This is N plus 1. 10 plus 1 CR. What is R value? 5. Plus again we have to apply this formula for next 2 terms. NCR plus NCR minus 1. Again N plus 1 CR. R value is 4. So this is what 11C5 plus 11C4. Again it in the form of NCR plus NCR minus 1. So for these 2 terms we have to apply this formula. It is 11 plus 1 CR. R is 5. So clearly this is equals to 2 by C5. So this is the required value. And see the third one, simplify this. See the solution. 34C5 plus sigma R is equals to 0 to 4, 38 minus RC4. Okay. See here sigma is given. Sigma is the sum of the terms. Here R values are running from 0 to 4. See here, this is 34C5 plus. So first we have to put R is equals to 0. 38 minus 0. 38 C4. Next we have to put R is equals to 1. 38 minus 1. You will get 37 C4. Next put R is equals to 2. You will get 36 C4. Next R is equals to 3. That is 35 C4. Last term is R is equals to 4. That is 34 C4. Now see here. 34C5, and see the last term 34C5. So write these two terms first. 34C5 plus 34C4. Next write these terms. 35C4 plus 36C4 plus 37C4 plus 38C4. So clear it in the form of NCR plus NCR minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So here we know that NCR plus NCR minus 1 formula is N plus 1 CR. We have to apply this formula for first two terms. So clearly N plus 1, that is 34 plus 1, that is 35 CR. What is our value? 5. So 35 C5. So what is the next term? 35 C4 plus 36 C4 plus 37 C4 plus 38 C4. Again we have to apply this formula for first two terms. NCR plus NCR minus 1. So what is that? N plus 1 CR. That is 35 plus 1. We will get 36 CR C5 plus 36 C4 plus 37 C4 plus 38 C4. Again we have to apply the same formula for first two terms. You will get NCR plus NCR minus 1, N plus 1 CR, that is 37 C5 plus 37 C4 plus 38 C4. Again we have to apply the formula for these NCR plus NCR minus 1. This is what? N plus 1 CR. Simply that is 38 C5 plus 38 C4. Again apply the same formula. NCR plus NCR minus 1. This is N plus 1. 38 plus 1 is 39 CR. That is 39 C5. So this is the required value. So try to solve these three questions. For next session we will discuss more problems.